welcome back to my channel. For this vlog, I will unbox and try my new amazing air fryer. It's my instant Vortex air fryer, 5.7 quarts, large capacity, 4-in-1 function. I've been using air fryer for many years and I have other vlogs here of my air fryer recipes and unboxing other air fryer brands. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos here in my channel. For me, I love this air fryer so much. It's not only because it's huge, it's also sleek design, beautiful design, very easy to use. It has a digital clock, touch screen to touch the function, and manual adjustable function for the temperature and time. Temperature to the max of 400, and you can also put the timer maximum 1 hour. Using air fryer is healthier because you don't need to deep fry the foods or use lots of oil. You can air fry the food with minimal or no oil at all. I bought this air fryer because of the great reviews and also got a good price. I purchased it for $90 plus tax in Amazon, and it's a great deal. Overall, it's functioning great. It looks beautiful and I love it. And I tried my first food. I cooked a crispy bacon with my new air fryer and it was so quick, only 6 minutes. And voila! And I didn't spray any oil at all. See, it's very good and beautiful crispy bacon. It's only 6 minutes time of cooking, and voila, this is what it looks like, and it's very crispy. Well, this is my new air fryer vlog and I love it. Thank you for watching this vlog and see you again to my next vlog, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos.